depending on where you're watching this video from. I take this opportunity to welcome you to today's video, where I'm going to take you through Safaricom Developers Portal. I know we've done a variety of videos, or several videos on M-Pesa integration, but I've decided to take you through this portal, which is a requirement before you do any integration or use any services within the Daraja 2.0 API. So Safaricom Developer Portal, it is just an API or an endpoint provided by Safaricom that allows developers to access a variety of services or APIs, which include SMS, M-Pesa, mobile money, voice and data services, and it allows you as a developer to integrate all these functionalities into your application. Now within Safaricom Developers Portal, we have Daraja 2.0, which is specifically designed to enable developers to leverage on services such as mobile payment, such as customer bill and buy goods. It also allows you to do some online transactions such as business to business, or commonly known as B2B. We have C2B, customer to business, and we have business to customer, and many other services that are provided in here. So you as a developer, it's an open source platform where you as a developer, you can just get in, sign in, and just give it a try and come up with innovative ideas to solve up the problems that we have out there. So without wasting much time, I'm going to take you through the video or through the platform. You'll have to sign up if you've not. After signing up, you will log in, and maybe before logging in, there's something that I'll show you. I'll have to show you. It is called the Daraja console. This is just a brief example of how to generate an authorization request in various languages such as Python, Node.js, Java, PHP, and Ruby. So you can just copy the code, paste it into your editor, then try and do something within it. So let's go into the platform itself. So we have the dashboard, we have home, profile, where these are just basic navigation bar elements which you can just interact with them. We have my apps. This is where all your apps, this is where you'll find all your apps that you've created, both for production and the sandbox environment. I'll show you the samples that I have in there. Then we have the APIs. These are the services provided under the Daraja API. We have authorization, dynamic QR code, where you can just scan a QR code and prompt an M-Pesa transaction. We have M-Pesa Express, which I use commonly, and customer to business. We have business to customer, B2C. We have transaction status. You can check your account balance, reversals, tax remittances, business, and several. I think they keep on updating them, so you can keep on checking and see what new they've brought in. So you can just go through the documentation of each service, and or I can call them endpoints, of which you can use them into your program. We have many apps. I've not used this before, so I've not used this. These are documentation that will help you with starting up. It will help explain all the details that you need. Then you can go live for production. There are several steps that you need to take to go live. Then we have self services. We have frequently asked questions and forum. This is what I love about this platform. You can just ask a question and you will get to hear from your fellow developers out there, or Safaricom for themselves. So I'm going to take you through the APIs, or let me just say my apps. I'm going to show you the sample apps that I have. I have one app. Uh, I think something there's some problem with my internet. Yeah. So here they are. You can create a new. I have one that is in production, the DCIAL. That's one of my clients that I have to create. So I have several apps. There are moments when I create an application and try with this consumer secret and the details given, and it was not working. So I had to create other applications. This is the most recent. This is the most recent application that I created under sandbox environment. So you can click here to see the consumer secret and consumer key. Just create your own, and you'll be provided with all these details. The consumer secret and the consumer key, you will need them when you want to integrate or when you want to generate an access token. So you can create a new app you can create a new app. Then you will have to choose whether it's, and give it a name. Let me give it a name. Hello. Then you can choose whether it's B2B, bill manager. I just recommend that you just pick M-Pesa sandbox. That will cover B2B, B2C, C2B, and APIs, or Lipan M-Pesa sandbox, or number one. You can just, yeah, then you create the app. I have several apps, so I don't want to create another app. So the other thing that you need to know are these APIs. You can learn more about authorization. This is the authorization that you need uh, to access all the details that are provided in the server, or on the Safaricom endpoint. You can simulate here, and other than just simulating, there's some details that you can get in this at this place. Click on M-Pesa Express. You can get Post1 collection if you know how to use Post1, and just simulate and see what is happening there. There are so many details that are provided there. The sample request body. It shows you how you need to feed in the details. It describes in the parameters and their type and the sample value. It gives you a sample response body. It describes it. You can get so much detail. This is the result body. This is the callback. It is in a JSON format. So you can get all the details under documentation of for each API that you select. We have sample errors just to help you when troubleshooting. So at this place, this is where you'll get the how do you call it, pass key, the pass key, and the credentials that you need, the short code and the pass key. You'll get it at this point. So it is taking quite some time to load. I don't know why. I think let's go back and click again. Fetching up. Yeah. After the simulator is open, you can select one of your apps. Let's select that. These are the details. You can come here and check for credentials. These credentials, and this passkey is needed also, and the business shortcode. These are the details that you will copy and paste into your program. So guys, that was just a brief overview of what you can do. You can just go through all these services and get to learn more through the documentation that is provided in there. So thank you. If you have any question, you can just leave leave it on the comment section.